Welcome to this video on Git Cherry-pick. Today we are going to explore how to apply specific commits from one branch to another in Git. Let's dive in. So what exactly is Git Cherry-pick? Git Cherry-pick is a powerful command that allows you to select specific commits from one branch and apply them to another. Think of it like picking cherries from one tree and placing them onto another. You are handpicking certain changes and applying them where they are needed. Now let's explore some common scenarios where Git Cherry-pick comes in handy. First, hotfix backporting. You can apply a bug fix from the development branch to a stable release branch without merging all the changes. Second, selective feature transfer. Move specific features from one branch to another without including unrelated changes. Third, experimental changes. Test specific commits in isolation before integrating them into the main codebase. Finally, recovering lost work. Retrieve specific commits from abandoned or deleted branches that contain valuable work. Let's take a look at the basic syntax for using Git Cherry-pick. The most common use is to cherry-pick a single commit. Git Cherry-pick commit hash. To cherry-pick multiple commits, simply list their hashes. Git Cherry-pick commit hash1 commit hash2. You can also cherry-pick a range of commits using Git Cherry-pick start commit, end commit. Before cherry-picking, make sure you are on the target branch, ensure your working directory is clean, and identify the commit hash you want to cherry-pick. Remember, cherry-picking creates a new commit with a new hash, even if the changes are identical to the original commit. Let's walk through a simple cherry-pick operation step by step. Step 1. Find the commit to cherry-pick using the command git log, one line. This will show you a list of commits with their short hashes and commit messages. Step 2. Switch to the target branch where you want to apply the commit using the command git checkout release. Replace release with the name of your target branch. Step 3. Cherry-pick the commit using the command git cherry-pick e4f5g6h. Replace e4f5g6h with the commit hash you want to cherry-pick. After this, Git will apply the changes from the specified commit to your current branch, and it will create a new commit with those changes. Git Cherry-pick comes with several advanced options that can be very useful. The No Commit option. Apply changes without creating a commit. Useful when you want to combine multiple cherry-picks into a single commit. The Edit option. Modify the commit message during cherry-pick operation. Handling conflicts. When conflicts occur, you can continue after resolving them or abort the operation. The Sign-off option. Add a signed-off by line to the commit message, certifying you have the right to submit the code. Let's discuss how to handle conflicts during a cherry-pick. First, when conflicts occur, Git will pause the cherry-pick operation and mark the conflicting files. You'll need to resolve these conflicts manually by editing the files. Second, after resolving conflicts, once you've resolved all conflicts, add the files using the command git add. And continue the cherry-pick process using the command git cherry-pick. Continue. Finally, aborting cherry-pick. If you decide not to proceed with the cherry-pick, you can abort the operation and return to the previous state using the command git cherry-pick. Abort. Here are some best practices to keep in mind when using cherry-pick. Use atomic commits. Cherry-picking works best with small, focused commits that address a single concern. This minimizes the chance of conflicts. Document cherry-picks. Add a reference to the original commit in your commit message to maintain traceability between branches. Be cautious with dependencies. Ensure you cherry-pick all dependent commits to avoid breaking functionality. Consider using ranges when needed. Consider alternatives. For complex changes, merging or rebusing might be more appropriate than cherry-picking multiple commits. Let's summarize what we've learned about Git Cherry-pick. Cherry-pick allows you to apply specific commits from one branch to another. It's useful for hotfixes, selective feature transfers, and recovering lost work. Advanced options help manage conflicts and customize the process. It's best used with atomic commits and proper documentation. For further learning, you can refer to the official Git documentation and Atlassian Git tutorial. If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.